Okay, hello peeps. You know what Ashish is saying? I'm not gonna shoot any vlog today, but I'm in mood of shooting one vlog. But Ashish is saying that he's on RE, which means rest day, and he does not want to hold even a camera. So that's my duty now, and I'm sipping my coffee, as well as Ashish. You can see him also.
I'm doing enough work by holding this coffee, man. Can't hold another thing. And then between camera and coffee, I'll always choose coffee.
Okay. And between camera, coffee, and me, what will you choose?
I'll choose Komal.
Yeah! What are we doing, Ashish? We don't even know.
You're chilling the fuck out.
Yes. I just love this thing, what this mannequin is wearing, and because it goes with my vibe. I don't know. We are at the Phoenix Mall, Bangalore, and Ashish is not liking this mall. I don't know what else will fascinate him. I like this one. This is accessorized. Come now. We need to go to West Side also, no? We have 200 rupees off there. Yes.
Steve Madden.
Steve Madden. एक ही लाएगी 7,000 की. Yes. Charles and Keith. It's also very expensive brand. Right now I can't afford it. But soon I will. हाँ.
IGTV में डाल सकते हो
Yes.
क्योंकि ये वर्टिकल है ना.
हाँ डाल सकता है.
ऐसा किसी ने सोचा नहीं होगा IGTV में ब्लॉग करना. मैं कितना इंटेलिजेंट हूँ, मतलब क्रिएटिव हूँ, सोचते रहता हूँ.
और कुछ?
क्रिएटिविटी का ही मतलब मैं कमा लेता हूँ.
आज हम शॉप करने वाले हैं. आशीष हैज ओनली वन फेवरेट ब्रांड, दैट इज ज़ारा. और वो सिर्फ ज़ारा से ही लेना पसंद करता है. दिस नॉट अ शॉप और ब्रांडिंग. वो कहीं पे कुछ देखेगा भी नहीं. मैं उसे बोलूँगी भी कि go there, go here, he'll only look for Zara.
This shirt belongs to Benetton.
Okay, wait, this one. This shirt is liking. Ashish is liking this blue shirt.
Jacket है.
Jacket. Do you like that? We want to buy that. Why not?
क्योंकि उसमें बड़े बड़े कैल्विन प्लान होते हैं ना, अजीब ही है, मतलब ब्रांड बना दिया तो.
This is so good light, no? Look, we're looking so good in it. Come here, look. Look. Now I'm in front of one makeup shop. Not in my hand. I just put my lipstick and I'm ready to go. Yes.
तुम तो बहुत भी अच्छी ब्लॉगर हो, मैं तो
Yes.
दुनिया की सबसे बोरिंग ब्लॉगर हूँ.
हाँ, तुम्हें मुझे कैमरा देना चाहिए हमेशा. Why are you so shy, Ashish? Tell me. Ashish is becoming now underconfident. Now I'm the confidence
कॉफी
queen
के
here.
साथ अंदर जाने देंगे क्या?
तुम कब से इतना सोचने लगे?
बहुत सारे शॉप्स मना करते हैं.
अरे गए तो निकाल देंगे ना. Let's go to the boys section first. Let's get something for you, right? Okay, Ashish, what is the name of your coffee?
Chocolate cappuccino.
Yes, and next time you visit Starbucks, please go for Java Frappuccino because that's what I'm sipping. And that's the best one, I guess. The beginners also, they'll like it.
Next time you go to any Starbucks, you just let them know that give me the coffee that Ashish had and they'll give you chocolate cappuccino.
Oh, please, don't be like that. Just go for Java Frappuccino. It's amazing. You'll love it.
And also,
You know, I'm at escalators, and what happened? The first time I just stepped on escalator, I just fell off. 4 standard. Yes.
पहली बात तो सभी करते हैं.
Exactly. पहली बार सभी गिरते हैं. Please let us know. आप गिरे थे कि नहीं? Did you fall off on your ass or not? Look, Ashish mask looks like Kakashi's mask, no? Look.
Actually, Kakashi stole this idea from me. Kakashi time traveled to the future. He saw Ashish looks cool.
You know what? What is the breaking news? You are not at all funny.
My way of comedy is only for people who are of next generation. So older people won't be finding it funny.
Mine is for 7th generation kid.
मुझे
Okay.
डर लग रहा है कि तुम लुढ़क के अपना सर में फोड़ लो.
देखो आशीष क्या बोल रहा है. मैं एक ब्लॉग शूट कर रही हूँ and he's trying to create every hindrance he can create, right? Look, मेरा moral down कर रहा है वो. I'll keep showing you what Ashish tries and then we'll also tell you what did we get. Right? Today is our rest day, completely rest day because we have been working hard for 2-3 days. So obviously rest to बनता है. We were doing work till 5 in morning, right? Exactly. We were so packed. Okay, now I'm waiting for Ashish because he's changing in the changing room. He's trying his clothes out and I'm just waiting for him to come outside and let's see what he looks like. I got two jackets for him. Now let's see what he looks like. I'm excited. Look. Okay, I'll get it. But it's looking amazing. Just style it. Okay, just keep it zipped in here. It's looking here like a little bit baggy. This one, this red one. And also at this place, guys, it's looking amazing. I'm just loving it. Loving this place. This mall is so good. Forever 21. Look, it has variety, and now I'm going inside. I'll see you all after some time. Bye. Okay, now we're done with shopping. Look, I'm full of bags, full of clothes, and look at Ashish bag, full of things. And we shop literally like from today. Okay, just look at this speed. You love this.
If you're thinking like this is what we do on a daily basis,
No.
we work our asses off for 1 week. In the past 48 hours,
Yeah.
I have done 3 different podcasts.
Yeah.
So I basically prepared the material sufficient for 1 month.
Okay. And just see, I love Bangalore. Now we are hungry as hell, and now we are going to the same mall which we left just before some time, and now today is a completely rest day, so we are going to eat unhealthy. So we are not momos fan, but today we want to have some momos from Asia 7. We just love that place for Chinese food, and Ashish got his hands burnt once we were in Chennai. So guys, this is the Phoenix Mall. We are entering it here. Okay, moving here. Here is Ashish. Look at his face, still bright and fresh as cool breeze, right? Okay, this is Zara again. We just cross-marked it today because we didn't get any stuff here. Look at Ashish. Ashish will take 2 hours he can take also 3 hours to eat it. Everyone will be going and he'll be the last one to leave the place. Pura maine hi handle kiya. Hello. Look how cute bag I got it. Let me show it to viewers now. You did it. Look, I got it. Yes. We are tired as fuck and look at our faces.
There are bigger problems in this world than being tired of it.
You know what? We also went to Chumbak, a shop. Chumbak, right? And it was so amazing. Tribal things and everything. Just give me this thing. We got this, It's so colorful. So we tried to add this in our studio.
No, actually, this is having a special capability. If you look at it for 30 seconds, it will get you high. So that is why it is costing somewhere around 1200.
Look, no. Okay, Ashish, you you didn't speak that much today. Just tell your experience of coming today and everything. I spoke a lot, I guess. It was the vlog was dominated by me only. Now it's your chance to speak and just entertain our viewers.
Komal is a good blogger, Komal is a good podcaster, Komal rocks. That was my experience. And other than that, I don't feel like speaking because I've spoken for hours in the past 48 hours. So it was Sunday, it was my last class of the first batch. So it ended very well.
Yeah.
So as always, in the last class and in any seminar which is paid,
Yeah.
this is what I say, that if you did not like the experience, all the money will be returned. And this is what I hear every time, that the seminar was worth much more than the money we paid.
And no one asked for refund, no?
Nobody.
That's
You are
good.
going to fall in love with me, that is right.
That's good. Okay.
So the other thing is that if people are so happy, no,
Yeah.
the word will just fly by mouth. More people will find out about it.
Yeah.
This is what I said at the end of the seminar. This seminar is going to make Dale Carnegie program look very puny. So last time I was over here,
Yeah.
I ate for around an hour. And
Uh,
Komal could not eat at all because next day she was having a shoot for Polaroids. So she was eating very healthy. So she had couple of spoons of, I think, veg fried rice, that
Yeah.
was brown rice. And I was like super unhealthy.
I was craving for the food he was having, and I was simply eating the very light rice, right?
But the point was that for that 1 hour, that plate was warm. So that is a good thing about sister. The bad thing is that if you touch that in the beginning, it is as hot as furnace and it will evaporate whatever it touches.
But the moment he told me that it was non-veg, I just said, okay, no, I don't want it. No, I'm not willing to eat it.
And that's when I understood that it's my lucky day, I'm going to eat the whole thing.
And we literally took 2 hours to eat everything, you know. This Ashish can take even 5 hours also, you know. First time I met him, I asked him that what you are doing at 7 p.m. He said, I'm eating. At 11 p.m. again, I asked him what you are doing. He said, I'm eating. So I thought it's because he ate at 7 p.m. and then again he's eating at 11 p.m. So I said, why are you eating again at 11 p.m.? So you are not full at 7 p.m. So he said, no, I'm eating since 7 p.m. only.
It used to be like when I used to return from work, those were the ISRO days. So I used to return back home somewhere around 5:30. Immediately what I would do is boil some eggs, warm some milk, and then also eat some eggs. So I would eat like 6 eggs, then I will eat like a cup of oats, and then I will drink milk, and then I would eat some more. I don't even remember what I used to do.
Yeah.
But I used to eat a lot.
Yeah.
I gained a lot of muscle also in those days. In the initial days, like
Yeah.
January, February 2019 used to be the slow eater.
Now Ashish got the call from our food court, food store, food shop. Okay. Okay, let me tell you which day it was. So you must be thinking that which day it was shot, right? So today is Monday and right now it's 10:15, right, at night, and so that's it. Incoming, and here it is. Just look at it. Look at it. Okay, let me show. What is it, Ashish? Momos?
It is chicken lollipop.
Okay, I didn't know it. I thought it is fried momos. And here, these are momos.
These are momos, and what are these? What's coming out of it?
I just saw this part of it. No, I was shooting. Don't make fun of me, no?
For general information, momos are always white in color.
A fried one is not white in color. They are like this only. Crispy. Don't think I'm dumb.
I don't blame you. Like, you have not been to the mother place of momos.
Yeah. Yes, that's true. This is chicken and I'm vegetarian and this looks so fascinating to me that I just want to eat it. but I get EU feeling. No offense to non-vegetarians, but I don't know why I get EU feeling when like, I feel like someone is eating chicken. And this is my favorite place. Whenever I visit this mall, this is my favorite place to sit. Like just greenery behind me, and one sofa and food and shop things. That's all you want. Okay, now I'm going to eat. I'm just waiting for Ashish. Ashish, I'm not getting sanitizer. I don't know where I kept it. Sling, I checked it. It's okay, but it's okay. My hands are clean only. And look, it's hot, Sizzler.
तो खाना स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ